Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Magento. So in this video we are going to learn about the delivery dates on the checkout page. So how we are going to add the delivery date in Magento checkout. So this is not the previous one, it's different one. So here we are selecting the date and the time on which date and time you want, right? And here we have some functionality like see, I can't click on this Friday and Saturday. Why? Because Saturday I have a weekend. Friday I'm out of the town. So such kind of feasibility or adding the things that we are doing in this video. You can see that we have configuration files where we have selected like disable date, delivery date, whether you want which date you want to disable. So I want to disable Saturday and Sundays every, and delivery hour start this one, delivery hour end this one. So you can add also here also. So I can also add like 8th date I am busy. You can also add this one, and if you could save this configuration and flush the cache. So you can see that on that date which we have added, reload this. So here you can see the delivery date. So these all the weekends are highlighted in red, and those date which are I'm busy, that is our black one, and rest of the days you can proceed with your selection. So rest of the selection you can do 30th, and you can also change with the time also. So you can also add the time. Okay, so you can also change the time, add the comments, add the delivery date, and mention the zip code, right? Phone number. Okay, anything you can select, street address, everything is there. Okay, next. So you can do the payment. Please read the information. This is place order. If I go to the sales order in the back end, go to the sales orders, and you can view that order, and you can see that delivery date is also there. So you can check that one also. So delivery date information and the comment. So everything, because here you can see that when we are checkout we have a comment section also. So this way you can get the delivery information also. Okay, and all the data is preserved in your sales order. So do the rest of the things from here also. So it's very important feature of the delivery date with such kind of functionality like disable dates, delivery hours, delivery hour end, and the black out dates. So those who want such kind of extension, or those who want me to build this extension from the scratch and show you the code, so let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I will give you the full-fledged tutorial on how we can do such kind of things in Magento 2 on the checkout page. Okay, any anything that you want from you want that tutorial, a full-fledged video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.